Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know we gotta talk about Friday's whisper. So Friday, I was still bearish on the emerging markets. EEM in particular has been going down ever since we spotted those huge sell prints. So I still love this. If you're still shorting this, definitely watch this 34 level and use that as a marker. All right, as long as it stays below that, stay in the trade. If she closes above that, she could see a retracement back up to the 4 and the 8 EMA, but still loving this. All right, so also on Friday, had my eye on GDX, bearish on this guy below the 1350 level. And you can see this was fantastic short on Friday. Popped up right at the open, and then as soon as it broke down below the 1350, I shorted this in the Java Pit trading room. Covered most of my position, still holding a quarter. And if it opens up above the 1350, I'm most likely going to cover the rest of it there. We'll see what happens. Also told you to watch the SPY. And I told you to watch those 209.33 area. All right, that's been a huge print area. We closed above that. You can see we had a really big rally at the end of the day. And continue to hold that. So right now we're trading above 210. The level I want you to watch today is 210.30, right around there. We spotted huge, gigantic sell prints back here at the beginning of November. All right, and if those computers are still programmed to sell at that area, we should see that as resistance. So definitely keep your eye on that level. So the room was rocking it, even though we had a half a day on Friday. That did not stop our trader of the day, Wayne, aka the Cowboy. He was rocking it on ACAS, Home Depot, 177% ROI, Pfizer, 180% ROI. He was fantastic. And you know what he said? He said, it's all my fault. I made him do it. Well, you did it, Cowboy. All right, so congratulations. You rocked it. So what are we going to watch today? Have my eye on a couple of things. The first one is FIT. Looks like FIT is definitely coming back to life here. Really good volume, almost 100,000 shares. Watch the 29 level. She can break above that. There's room to go to about this 30 area. That's pretty big resistance before the gap trade, okay? Also have my eye on a SDRL. Bearish on this guy. You can see there's some sell prints coming in this morning at 609. So definitely going to be bearish below that. 6 has been tested quite a few times. If she breaks down through that, there's a lot of room on the downside to go there. Also, have my eye on oil. Let me just show you the oil futures, you guys, because the OPEC meeting is this week. So you can see right now the oil futures are banging its head here right on the pivot. So 42.25, really big level. If she can break through there, oil could have a really nice rally today. How are we going to play that? Well, I do like to trade USO. It's one of my favorite guys. And you can see it's starting to show some strength. Bullish above 1312, but I would really like it to see break this 8 EMA, which is around 1320. If she can break above that, there's room to go to 1350 and possibly 1375 on the upside. But you got to watch it in conjunction, okay, with the futures. Really want to see the futures pop above this pivot line at the same time. So come watch me trade these stocks and so many more at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.